Kemcho, welcome to Rashida's Bohra Flavors. We are back again with another Bohra dessert, Sev Khurma, specially eaten during Eid, Idul Adha, Idul Fitr. Yeah, let's start making it. We'll need some nuts, some dry fruits, half cup of sev. I'm making for 2 people, 2 to 3 people. Add a tablespoon of ghee. A teaspoon of ghee also is fine if you like less ghee. I like less ghee, that's why I add less ghee. And roast the save, crush the save to really fine pieces, and then roast it until you get the aroma and the color change of the save. Once the save is roasted, add all the dry fruits. So I've taken about 2 to 3 tablespoons of anjeer, karak, badam and pista. You can also add chironjin or any other dry fruits you like. And then roast them together. You don't need to fry the dry fruits in ghee separately. I feel it brings out more ghee on top, which I really don't like. So this is my mother's method because I didn't like ghee on top floating in Sev Khurma. She used this kind of method to make it for me. A tablespoon of sugar, but that's really optional because you'll be adding condensed milk as it is at the end after you add the milk. So if you are adding the sugar, just mix it in a little bit so that some of the sugar starts melting. Then add a liter or a liter and a half of milk. Gradually start adding it gradually so that it doesn't burn or daji na jai. And start mixing in the save. Now the milk depends on how much thick the Sev Khurma you want. So if you like a bit thin, then add more milk because the sev will start soaking up the milk as it cools. So since I like a bit thinner consistency of Sev Khurma, in half cup of sev which I used 1.25 liter of milk. After adding the milk, once it's mixed, add elchi powder, cardamom powder, a teaspoon or half teaspoon or so depending on your quantity of the Sev Khurma. Now add condensed milk as per your sweetness. So since we added sugar in the beginning, we'll not add a lot of condensed milk. Just add it 2 to 3 tablespoons about your sweetness, however sweet you like, and just mix it in and then let the mixture or Sev Khurma come to a boil. You just need the sev to swell up a bit so that it's properly cooked and it absorbs all the flavor, just so that એમાં fine ખુશ્બુ આવી જાય, fine taste આવી જાય સેવનો મિલ્કમાં. And you can also add kesar. Once it comes to this stage and it has already boiled, add a 1/4 cup of evaporated milk and then let the Sev Khurma come to a boil once only, and after that you'll switch it off. You can see the ghee is already floating, and that's it. Just like that, so easy, your Sev Khurma is ready, made with less ghee and so much healthier, so much tastier. So make sure you try it out, and then you can serve it hot or cold. I personally like it both ways. So when it's freshly made, I actually have it hot and then we just have it cold. So it really depends on how your taste is. You can decorate with some more almonds and pista. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try it out and let me know in the comments below what else you would like to learn. Also let me know if you have any questions below. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe to my channel Rashida's Bohra Flavors. You can also follow me on Instagram and see you soon. Aujo.